Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to upload video on Likee app. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so first step you have to take is of course open your Likee app and then log into your account. Next, you are going to see the plus sign at the bottom area of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that guys, as you can see right here, you can start recording your video, or you can upload from your device. All right, so if you want to record your video, just hold these round record button right here, and then you start recording video. Or if you have a pre-recorded video, you can just click on this upload icon at the bottom right corner, and then you are going to see videos from your device. Right, so just go ahead and select the video that you want to upload. Once that's selected, click on next, and then here you can now add subtitle, filter, and so on the video. All right, so once that is added, click on next, and then you just have to add a description about the video, and then you can just see the post icon at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on that, this will be posted on Likee. All right, so it's that easy guys. Now we've posted our video. All right, so it's that easy. So this is how you can actually post a video on Likee. Hope this video was helpful. If you want to find this video that you just posted, you just have to head to your profile. So you can see your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on that and it's right here on your profile. All right, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.